in reality, fundamental reality, there's no separation. Everything is entangled. Rumi, we come spinning out of nothingness, scattering stars like dust. That's a psychedelic experience. When Moses fed manna to the Israelites, I bet you there was fungus in it. When Jesus converted the water into wine, I can bet you there was fungus in it. In the Rig Veda 9th and 10th mandalas, there are hymns devoted to a psychedelic called Soma. So these practices have existed since ancient times. What they do is they take you beyond the dark alleys and the ghost-filled attics and the secret passages of your mind, which bamboozles you into thinking this is reality. This is not reality. This is a projection of reality. Reality is infinite possibilities, infinite creativity, infinite correlation, synchronicity, unpredictability, self-regulation, self-evolution, and amazing imagination. So by loosening the neural correlates of the collective mind, which exist in our brain, and loosening the neural correlates of the ego mind, which is called the default mode network, or what Aldous Huxley called the reducing valve, you enter a totally different domain of awareness. You lose your fear of death, you understand your universal nature, and you have the spontaneous emergence of what we call platonic values: truth, goodness, beauty, harmony, love, compassion, joy, equanimity. And if you're lucky, lose the fear of death, because you realize that your fundamental reality is not in space-time. It is without cause, it is spaceless, dimensionless, and infinite dimensions at the same time. It is timeless, it is irreducible, it is fundamental, it is formless, and it is infinite, and it is you. The self of the individual is the self of the universe. There's no better gift we can get to discover who we are. Because once you find out who we are, as Rumi said, by God, when you find yourself, you'll be the idol of yourself. That's how they work.